Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Toyota Yaris key remote. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2016 or CR 1616 battery. It's important to work on a clean, well-lit surface to prevent losing any tiny components. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot, typically located on the side where the key ring attaches. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the casing should begin to separate. Take your time and avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment. Before inserting the new one, pay attention to the orientation of the old battery, noting which side was facing up. Now, place your new CR 2016 or CR 1616 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards. Now it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps around the edges. Once it's closed, test the remote's functionality with your Toyota Yaris. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make life easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.